There's a quiet anxiety that most affiliate marketers don't talk about. You wake up, you check your analytics, you refresh your revenue dashboard, and there is always that question in the back of your mind. What if the traffic drops? Your affiliate links don't belong to you. The platforms don't belong to you. The traffic doesn't belong to you. You're optimizing, but you're not owning. And that tension just builds and builds. You see, affiliate marketing works, and no matter how good your content is, no matter how much value you provide, you still feel replaceable. You can drive clicks, you can build intricate funnels, but when someone asks you, what do you actually own in this business? The honest answer is usually, not much. I looked at every serious operator I respected, every person who was playing the long game, and they all had something in common. They weren't just building traffic, they were building assets. They were building products, brands, and intellectual property. And then it hit me. I don't mean those quick cash grab ebooks or low-effort content dumps. I mean structured, valuable publishing assets. Because a book fundamentally changes your positioning. You're no longer just someone who promotes products. You become the author of ... double quotes. That one phrase changes everything. Now, imagine this for a moment. Instead of writing an endless stream of blog posts, you build a 3-book series in your niche, whether it's fitness, finance, productivity, or technology. Book 1 introduces the core concepts. Book 2 goes deeper. Book 3 compounds the knowledge and results. Now, your affiliate offers sit behind a wall of authority, not in front of it, begging for a click. You're not just chasing clicks anymore. You're building credibility. And credibility converts in a way that raw traffic never can. But here's where most people get stuck. They write 60,000 words, just hoping there's enough demand for it. And when the book doesn't sell, they blame Amazon. But the real problem was never the effort. It was the lack of structure. Publishing without validation is gambling. Publishing without clear positioning is just adding to the noise. And publishing without tracking your results is pure guesswork. That's why so many affiliate marketers never make that transition into publishing. It feels too risky, too unclear, and frankly, too heavy. So I stopped thinking about publishing as a form of creative expression and started thinking about it as infrastructure. Before I even write a single word, I validate demand. Is there a clear search pattern for this topic? Then, I designed the series intentionally. What is the emotional spine that connects the books? How does Book 2 create a need for Book 3? Then, you launch with precision. Your metadata is perfectly aligned. Your categories are chosen strategically. Your keywords are intentional. And finally, you track everything. You change one variable at a time. You measure the impact, you benchmark it against your previous results, and you adjust. When you do this, publishing is no longer emotional. It's operational. At a certain point, I realized I was doing all of this in spreadsheets. I was tracking my experiments manually, comparing metadata changes from week to week. It became so clear to me. This wasn't a writing process. It was a system. And systems deserve real infrastructure. So, I built Author Command. It was never meant to be a writing tool. It's a publishing intelligence layer. The strategic shift is the story. When you successfully combine your affiliate marketing with publishing assets, something truly powerful changes. Your traffic from blogs and social media feeds your books. Your authority then feeds your affiliate offers with a level of trust you couldn't get before. Now, you're not dependent on a single platform. You're compounding your success across multiple ecosystems. Amazon Search, your affiliate funnels, your email list, your YouTube channel, it all starts working together and it becomes a flywheel. And flywheels don't panic when traffic dips for a week. Traffic is temporary. Algorithms will always shift. But intellectual property, when it's built strategically, compounds over time. The system I use is linked down below. But more importantly, start thinking like an operator. Build what you own. Thanks for watching.